How to open a savings account online with Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you ready to start savings? Well, here is how to open a Discover online savings account on desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. And here, once you are on the official website, you just have to click on banking and after that you just have to click on savings, and with that you can just hit open account and choose individual or join and then click continue, and after that you have to enter your personal info like your name, address, social security number, email and phone number, and then verify your identity. And with that you need to set the login credentials if you're new, or sign in if you already have a Discover account. And there you need to add your initial deposit link by linking an external bank through routing or account number or fund later. And after that, you need to review disclosures, agree to the terms, and click submit to finalize your application. And that's it. That's how you can open a savings account online with Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.